Vanzo was a hit on Magnum Kings and Queens. Now he's just a hitmaker.
Anytime me feel away now, me see your face and light up like disco. With a little reggae on the stereo.
Another young king rising in dancehall right now. Vanzo, what on this paper?
One thing, man. Well, I know.
Not a god. Vanzo, first of all, for all those who are not familiar, 3 words to describe your sound.
My sound now, when I say unique, relevant. You see, when I say relevant to what I'm going right now, I don't know, different.
A lot of people feel like them sound different as a young artist. What would you say makes you unique or different?
Alright, you see me now, me as a youth, I listen like Dancehall and them, man, you see? I listen to all type of artists, but you see Dancehall, you get some things out of film music, you see me I say out of film style, so out of film style now, I just switch it up and kind of modern the style and mix it with a new flavor, you see me, so I feel like that will help my style for different.
How you get exposed to them musical giants there?
Growing up, I used to listen to reggae music and them things the way. But even if they wasn't listening to the reggae music, I was always listening to the reggae music. My eye, the radio, and put it underneath my pillow, and I listen to reggae music.
How do you classify yourself?
I read dancehall artist, man, you see me?
Yeah.
I'm just to show you how I get this Dancehall thing going.
Yeah. What is it about his sound that you think resonates with you so much?
Well, Dancehall sound is different. You see me, him say, ring the alarm, another sound is dying. You see me, I say? So them little sound, you know, them sound they need to come back in a dancehall. In the time of Dancehall music, that was not my time. You know, it's a long time that you see me, but me listen to the music and I just feel like that can come back in a new time. You see? So I just mix it with a new genre dancehall. You see me, I say?
As a young youth, you go through Digital Rising Stars and you eventually come to Magnum Kings and Queens as well. What were those experiences like for you?
Magnum was a great feeling, I'm not telling a lie. You don't know in the street and people know you from all about. Everywhere I go, people know me. And the exposure was really good, man, I'm not lie.
How has the career been since?
I have a song playing on the radio. All about right now, all over Jamaica, overseas, I don't know, me good.
Everyone a claim to them bad. See them a huff up and a puff up like hog. But tell them some good when my girls them dad. And I'm a Nike, I'm a pop my one dog.
The career is finally at a place where the work is being recognized.
Yeah, I'm finally at a place where I can say, yo, we can do some music. Cause right now, if I'm there home and I get a little meds, I feel like call Arif and say, yo, you know, say, get a one med. Where, boom, and the smart up already, you see me? So I'm there in a place now where I feel kind of comfortable. I know, say, I can see the light now. Back then, I couldn't see the light, brother, because I'm not ready for the right set of people. But now, Jamaica and the rest of the world can hear Vanzo, you don't know. I have relationship goals, as I said, and I'm working on an EP over Europe side. That's still a France thing that's still, and I'm working on an album over France this again, you see it. So the France massive, them big up on themselves, because
looks like you find a little market over there, sir.
Yeah, they love Vanzo over this one.
Yeah.
So big them up right now.
Sing something for Ashley and tell her now.
I be things are going round there, eh? Be things are going round there. Make me want to take me and put it round there. All I know, Sanjay. When not a bomb boss gun, get one heap of girl and have fun. Why? That me a deal with. Keep beach party and them something there. All I know intense. Every man a claim say them bad. See them a off up and a puff up like hog. But tell them some good with my girls them dad. In a my Nike, I'm a pop more one tag. When a sponge pan.
Tell the people what most makes Vanzo intense.
Intense. Alright, you see my style now. My style I want. See me I say? Musical meditation is the next thing. You don't know. Yeah. Vanzo is just an intense person.
That a go on. Look out for him, Vanzo.